na kore ndio mwancho murigeri asomoro beri bwe Chigosori ni maite na bange balese chinka chiabo baganyetanda ke Captain 001 rero iga ningabata se studio rero iga inki keriato ariganire na mange nkwariganite korwa iga SMS ya Chigosori imeandizi TV na gati yabo ejitemu korwa iga sorongo rwa Gusii ichu ni combined FC amone team ya Small Simba mbali me county ya Kisumu asegeti kia Kisumu Day eskuru ya Kisumu Day asegeti ko bagandete korwa ndakora ningo wichiko bo munyankongo Onyanza Regional League na ningoli urachikoba namba 4 na kwena kirali bagari ya bene kurwa sensemo ya Nyanza Regional League na gosoa imea Division 2 ayungati yali to kwandika korega SMS ya Chigosori iwenda kubatyo mwe kurwa sensemo ya YouTube buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemeri ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital tobe togusangamo. Omancho muleta ya yo korega sorongo rwa Gusii na mange to ko bwatiri korwa sense ya Kenya abwase Faith Kipyegon amona Eliud Kipchoge babeire bakomure kuna ko bagatia abaminyoki 10 bakokora mangana ari athletics amangana ya Olympics 10 korwa sesemo ya basubati na 10 korwa sesemo ya bamura bali baligererigu wochibwaki ruchikura na koba best male athlete of the year 2022 abwase Eliud Kipchoge alegati ya barwaneri benseme yunanto bwate Faith Kipyegon omomyo kibwe chimbero emiti ya chiribwe yemo na 500 nera legatia abasubati 10 bakori bawechugwa kiruchikura na korandake ningora chigotangana na koba the best female athlete of the year ayungati yari amange nkwalenti ya sensemeye turabito gusanga kewekana kuruboniga oikachinsa 12 nenusu ibo nabo gotereka SMS yao o sange birenge libiyao okobori kwao nkayokotonyora korwa na kurega SMS ya Chigosori nembe inkote bikubikirano kwendo mwancho mwele buna botambe mumaite captain talikoba bweka asobwato asemeri oikabe na bandi na lero iga olitogo sanganera iga tingu kwana mange igoro yae no mugeni ochira igenga kientambe tige kwanere karibu ase Ndizi TV aigana sona lete na bote byoli okora litanga ni elietali yao na ndake enchero kwe watari ne Chigosori
byamono na abakwaniri mwensi abantu abategereri Italian Evans Areba coach ya White Hart Football Club gucheze league ya Division 2 na bere no mugoko sana usanga munenu maragoba ya rero
ndakembia mono ayomekaine omogoro kyo manene gose coach we team ya White Hart FC Division 2 league igoro kirokoru chiligi enko ite chakera korwa se sub county league twenda se county league tomanya kwenda ase regional league ko regional league twenda Division 2 twenda Division 1 National Super League tumeweka FKF Premier League ego league ya Division 2 ne league igoro mono abato manyo bonge igoro yenko yo nemete mwako lete season anda kento iko rokore na wote bya wango mwabete relegated
ya itobe relegated no nya tokorete nambangia already ase pule twaje team kianda iberenchia bete chigotigire league nchira na
chigotigara saba
kaneli chiko chikabare relegated igetwatigire team kar 8 chatigire ta league twensinto bwate chance go participate e season yewocha
ndake gonto bito kwana mange esobo imase league ya Division 2 korende asali agendrete boniga na segeti ligi ya Kisumu abase Chigosori chiwaditense kweneki andake ningori gochiko munyankongo Onyanza Regional League nyora na kurega sorongo rwa Gusii etobate zone A ime ya Nyanza Regional League zone A ebote chitimu kurwa sensemo ya Nyamira County ne county ya Kisii na gatie chitimu echo ligi ya Nyanza Regional League nero yairete akorwa sorongo rwa Gusii etimu ya tanganete Small Simba FC korwa sensemeri ya Maro South Mogirango etimu namba 2 ekabani chuni combined korwa sensemo ya Nyalivari bakosori Chigosori cyabo chainka korwa segeti kyage savakwa namba 3 ekabani timu ya Gocha Youth FC igeti kyabo genkanya mache korwa sensemo ya Bobasi namba nye kabani timu ya Bomachoge Bwerabu korwa sensemo ya Bomachoge eti kyabo genka negeti ya Kenyanya na igo mwancho mulirekere Chigosori chichia elire korwa sezemeri ya chizone Nyanza Regional League ne bata chizone 3 zone A dere yobate Kisii na Nyamira tatwara zone B na zone C ebwate chi counties chonsi cha Nyanza ndobate chi zone ebwate chi county ko Homa Bay ensemo ya Siaya ensemo ya Kisumu chonsi pibono lero iga ababuyi bonsi kurasa chi zone chisa to zone A ya kurugusige ebwate team ya Small Simba FC ndobate zone B na ndobate zone C ababuya batatu bona kare ligi yakwa reba kumira na amasege tie kemo bakanivoka Chigosori ibere kire timu saru chitime chire isato waki chitime chichonsi ibere urabate chi point chinyinge nero ko bo munyangongo unyanza regional league bone ngima kare tonyora abanyangongo rwase chizone tonyora bono munyangongo ase orowongo rwonsi rwanyanza na kare ngo kurigera likorwa sense moyane chitime chezo Small Simba etimu ende ngere One Touch FC yunkorwa season ngao na etimu yo mwelingere Amani Youth FC na lero igo mwancho murire Gusii entangani etimu ya Small Simba FC ya Gusii ne timu ya One Touch FC na se Gusii ya entangani nege timu ya Small Simba FC yabu egolia yemo ase chigoli bere ese timu ya One Touch yabo na utwara chi point 3 ase Gusii ya kabere etimu ya Amani Youth ya Gusii timu ya One Touch ese Gusii ya One Touch bono ya kabere ese Gusii yeyo nego Amani Youth abaga Chigosori bere ko Gusii gu ase One Touch etangaine emanye kubwati gune timu ya Amani Youth ebwate point yemo alafu Small Simba ebwate etabwati point ende yonsi Small Simba Gusii yo mwe litangani pi Small Simba ne timu manyete na kiri tanto chake na obonyangongo bwaye kurugusia iganki kelio ratebe igoro ya abamuravali
na abayabale na kuna kwa tebira matokeo ayo babwate chance yo kuba namba ibere tali namba ya mubarabe ikiagara already
One Touch
whatever One Touch already never the point in na babwate 0 ababago chiwaki ababago kwa Amani Youth babwate point ya so if Small Simba ise kunyara kubabuga na bego twale chance gutwara point 3 eri namba ibere magega ya Amani Youth
magega ya One Touch
egera Amani Youth kole ya gatatu lakini bago tele banyore draw then it means one goal difference which colleagues between them amone team ya Amani Youth so actually they need a win
vate bakonyore draw nego Small Simba chigotwale point yemo kolende etimu ya Amani Youth twale draw ya kabere chi point ibere bande kole
bakole namba 3 iko njengo baganiria maya babwate uwezo maybe ne environment era babere inya I'm informed yale wakukurwa mu stadium yange
Gusii kurugusia iga kurende siasa gaso iga nali boneka betege Gusii
stadium mu stadium yalenge
okay
either mu stadium 6 sumude so maybe ne environment era very challenging lakini if they give it their all na bakonyara ukura namba ibere
Koma chimurera yunali akote bigoro yali agendrete ase chi play off chiri cha Nyanza Regional League ase andaganda bakoro South Mogirango nego team ya Small Simba ukiraboniga ngobere me division 2 ya soire which division 2 okobanere tanganete korwa sensemo ya zone A kulenderere yeba komera na lero iga no kuligini ulibona kuchikoba omubui onyanze ngima thank Small Simba no mubi korwa sensemo ya Gusii okiraboniga Small Simba tebu ativaga rio gutangana esenge nje tinora ikire chi point nya se Chigosori ibere na Small Simba Gusii ndani yabu nebwa ne chi point saterabe ke gotwara kolende Small Simba neve ime division 2 asentunde kubwati andake Small Simba ne timu yakinire bwango sana nimete ngiyo muri twalenga igantu akwandere tata ekingelia bwata chi playoff getembe gatangana ekaruma eganero ekanyora e chance ayigo ne timu ya rure koru Kisii County League ya Siri Nyanza Regional League rimo ya chire mpaka division 2 ngate timu chirije ko kina aso bwango buno
I think from the little information in Mbwate it would be to do with organization yabo mbabwate a fan base ritangani ere very solid eyo ni ndeshwanga behind the scenes nkonyalere kurwa support yeliganire terms of shangilia players babo kero kende maybe nguchangia bakare in terms of resource mobilization ine factor ya monde very sure ya konyere team ili then number 2 mbabwate players bari quality na mbabwate ngende tokoroka depth as players which means even in the event that maybe there were injuries or something like that mbabwate chi option chinyinge actually ego have a problem most of the time so I think in terms of structures in terms of a composition here team it had a great contribution, which has this kind of resurgence to our team. And I'm hoping in a division, even in Division 2, na very likely go team sana.
Como chama tawateba congratulations ase etimia Small Simba kobana bwa babuye korwa igasa nsemo yorongo rwa Nyanza region kurendo mwancho morigeri bono to kato arigeri etimia Small Simba so boime kuna yanyarire goika Simba imia zone A kurende ese zone ya usese Nyanza Regional League nigo chitimu chiri chigotiri uko chidi tangana se zone A, zone B na zone C timu echisato direct slot yoko so division 2 slot ya mwali atigaria yemo mie gotigara timu chiaba na baibere ko zone A, zone B na zone C chaumera na chionsi sato chiagosorani kere timu yagosori Chigosori ibere kwa gosori ne omabuyo zone B namba ibere ya goal difference nero ko boyo kane kera biro yo kane nero ko irali bagiru ya kane ndio goso imya Nyanza iyo rukuru Nyanza Regional League na goso imya division 2 seigo ichune combined kura sense moyorongo rwa Gusii nige ko gosori ne team chine chuchire team ya KRA Hispania ene sema team kura sema ya Kuria kaite Kuria na Migori chisema chama ate KRA Hispania ne team ya gatatu nigere Oneno Nam ene team ya gatatu chiko gosori ya mukorere ni combined versus KRA Hispania nese gosori yunyora buna icho ni combined mbanyora ekadi embaliri gusereri kadi ase gosori yeju chiteka chabo chyo moyeri egosori ya kabiri ya gosori gu ngati ye timu ya KRA Hispania yaenda makali ne timu icho ni combined ya gosori ne timu ya Oneno Nam ese Oneno Nam ya gosori ya Bentangani ase Oneno Nam yanyara wikore timu ya KRA Hispania chigoli sano ase goli ya mwigwese timu ya Oneno Nam ne bate goal difference ya +4 kero korusana nchigoli -5 -1 ewa ere +4 etime chuni combined eso kwenda makali ge bate point ya yemo ne team ya KRA Hispania ya kulre Chigosori cha chonsi ese bwate nere point ya yemo igo ese gosori bono egendrete boniga ngati etime ichuni combined FC egosori ne team ya Oneno Nam nese gosori yeye ndake ngwante bi ichuni combined ne bwate chance echa siko ye korwera
a chance ya ichuni combined na se chi point. A point here tangani from the first draw. All they need bonega. No konyoraji point sato kurwa Oneno Nam. Because if they get 3 kurwa Oneno Nam, omente liye mabanyora, that is 4. One ichunyebe etangane among the number 2s, Oneno Nam ngiri number ibe. So all they need bonega. No konyons, even if it means a goal yemo. If they can defend for 90, that will be okay. Just a win of any kind. But if they go for a draw, then they have no option to guard against the goal difference. But I think
wakanyora edro pachire chidro ibere babene chipoint ibere na Oneno Nam ere wata chipoint kisato
they will lose it. Yeah. Actually they will lose it, so they need a win of any kind. But you defend back 90, it will be good for them.
Amaje moli keren kubwati ama chibu korwa segeti ligia Kisumu de ya se egosori ya gendrete nigo etime chuni combined FC wikira boniga etanga ina se egole ya masirigenalie sagero segosori ya mone etime Oneno Nam igontora ndake egosori se kwera igo nigo ichuni combined ego chigutangana na kove timu ya kane korwa sorongo rwa Nyanza konyara goswa imya division 2 igontora ndake ama chibu tokonyara korwa sensemeli ndobe toko kwa korwa iga ase ensemo ya Ndizi TV. Nimete chitimu chiri chikobwa echiko chikoswe league ya ino. Kuna boniga mubata new guest in the building, you are a Small Simba FC. Hii ende chiko chandake ngikeliora TV igoro ya toteve ichuni combined ya buira gosore wikro mweli ya sori leon totole chitimu ibere chiri ya division 2. Inki maana yeso mo Gusii ese chitimu ibere korunya korugukira Kisii County chikoru konyara gosori na kuba join na ino na kiora TV iranyare engenja yesenko ya Gusii nereri.
Bitangani kwaro kyanga investment y'abantu babere bakubeka se football finally yanzire koleta amatunda inere egente ketangani ndoche egento ya kabere ase chitimu jirishito chiro. Thank God this time team te ya Gusii ya trimboget in terms of relegation in as much as ngangane tikivyetu lakini mtu atika tena chances chetu. So secondly jerindo che benefit in the sense that nebanga tualani reason ya at least we traveled from Kuriga Bakamaro in terms of expenses netobera a bit cheap nebanga kurwa bakagesabakwa it will be a bit cheap for us. Actually, those are the two main things. And say qualification here. And then, most importantly, I think competition which go next season. Navera kiwango kirego rake because n'abantu bakire upya as a league. So if it is determination in error, if it is strength in error, and really I am hoping that they are going to give us what we have a run for our money. Yes.
Mwacho ino manywe Chigosori Sorongo rwa Gusii Evans Areba omorekyo mwanebwe timu ya White Hat FC otoranda ke map yenko ya Gusii aiga nkayire nimete tuti kwa amangena rotumurikiranda ke kurunyamira kirogire kitimu kikori kurunyamira kulende mwacho murigere enga kibune yaige ikarobune keiga umwako weta kere chiliko chere chonsi pichiri koru pimba kainse ndobotege ikaro kya bene amona Evans Areba oito ikanse to kwa nanda ke bali babuire nkaisha bana yako rese ligi yeyu nkai waitati yako rete nkai koru SMA ya Kisii County League Regional League nkai timu chia kuleto wikaransa nere akasange birengeli biaye igoro ya omwele we ligi yeyu no guchaka kwe ligi yenya yo mwako inero ya Eldrevon ngese ngo chonsi pia cherete buna toko kwa naiga tonde sema ya kabire ye studio andake to sange birengeli biri Evans Sato teveti amabato umwancho muliro mwaka bwekiri bwibere na 20 noyomo yakabire ye studio torore enkwane yo umwancho muliro mwaka bwekiri bwibere na 20 noyomo obeiro mwaka omukongu sana se kitimi chaito chako Gusii aiga kiri chikogosomye chiligi au National Super League Division 1 Division 2 ne chiligi chinde chinyinge niyo nkwere bagiriri yabene kunyara kurire kitimu kiri chaito chia Gusii aiga nakichanyara kogosoria season ya nyara ko era tochikokoro umwaka oyo na mbirengera likibiri babwate wochimotu omwaka o 2021 nigo chagete buno mwaka omotwereru abwase chirombe ne kitimu chia bwata magani ao imeye chiligi chiare kogosori nonyeigo okoba kwendwali ya COVID-19 aso mwaka kabere imea inse ya Kenya maiga yo gwateka kwendwali eyo imechi tariki 12 umutinyo gatatu mwaka bwekiri bwibere na 20 nkwairerete Chigosori chaito gutakorekana buna cia kabeire kare eyu nigo yairerete goturubani gugwe Chigosori imea Kenya iyu yare amone chiligi goteneni ugu ogo kanu kwa bateotereri ko bageti ogo pimu kwa bagosori na kobetwe sinano yo gotange binyinyi bya corona nemirindo ao imeye biti
njira yemo yabone ile karatwari shumeti nonyorete ishubune ya transportation e capacity ye kigali konye ya reduce igabone minute gusafirisha abachezaji twale gusafirisha egarama ya usafirisha
abwase binyinyi ebi byachiete gesara na koirero gotene gugwe kitimu korwa ensemeye utagosori imeye ligi nene ya Football Kenya Federation na National Super League nonye chiligi chanyalete koiranereru na ende maiga yebinyinyi bya COVID-19 wokia imeoro gongorwa Nyanza emechando nigo ya mentete abwase bino begetire kenena ase chitimu chinyinge
njaigete kererige guchikwera mutinyanga November twarenge gotema kubeke mipire menga munyorete efixture kabembe sana ogwako mupira Saturday inka Sunday ogenda awe midweek Wednesday ako mupira onde egatoka nga problem ya to affect twatwalege ndekoro ku fatigue players batwale chinjeri chinyinge na matokeo to expect maybe alego chakobama ya nara akaba affected
eki bwato mochakano bwato mweri oye nechi ligi nchaikireto yoye etimu ya Shabana FC nigo yakolete namba 5 na 3 abwase Gusii FC yabete namba 10 ime ligi ya National Super League
litangani kabisa ntebe ntuwa bwato gosemerio kongenga etimu yiteyemo ase chibere ngutira yale ngi ku Premier League lakini tiyanyarekana naenda most like na bara nyole challenge chitwa kwanira na china baruchi abafagi because na rochi deka chiyo moyo even these teams chito chikwana chi walk over and as I've said before ewo kovo maete chi points ata se league ne chinyinge nchirinke chi points ata nabako nyore timu kusuka 3 places 4 places chi wo cover chiri chi arwetwe I think chi affect chi mcheto. Then apart from that itimu chi I think na mcheto tuara some rough idea nga nje geta chiga struggle oko nyara go sustain ama hitaji ya players kero kende meshahara kero kende chindagira na no commit match expenses ekabe problem. So nabora nyore most likely challenges chitu akwande chi atafeke twense abantu bara industry ya football na chi prevent chi team cheto odatira. But still in the season yeguna ya chakira ndole very optimistic. One of our teams either Shabana Gusii ne chite chons chikoromoki tojisire ayama ya betire to wakilishe as a Premier League.
Chitimu chia kurora rwa Gusii gutatwara geti gyainka asengenche geti kia Gusii Stadium ngegenderete korosi kunegentukira ni Chigosori chaito maega buna toko ereru.
Omepire yako genda we number 1 ya to dinairi obwali nera eri to gutwara kero to koro mupira live. Number 2 revenue chitimu chigana takonyora from gate charges and the like maybe nero I think in a way ya ba lose revenue. It is one good thing yale kabanga Gusii Stadium yaile tinjito cha kirenka na bongo sacrifice to abasiana na gere na rumupira na hakana gate charge yane ngobuguri basani babere batatu our teams will be far much better.
Hema moja FC korwe county ya Nyamira nigo yaruseti gukorwe ligi ya Division 1 na Kiendege Jets gutaikirie ganga yabo yogoswa Division 1 maiga yogokora na mbaivere imerombe ya Division 2. Ime yechi county league chia Kisii County na Nyamira County nigo chite mcheru wanera kianda ya 10 abwase Small Simba FC koru South Mogirango na Getembe FC chia nyora libagari ya venelio gosoa ime ya Nyanza Regional League koru Kisii County. Koru Nyamira County nigo Moruga FC na Riamoni FC chena chere etikiti yeyu yogosoa Regional League. Ime yeskuru yenkoyo nigo chitiemu naboro kigwa bange vesomia mangi koru ase season ya era ayubara tumeke gonchoreri asenga kienyi ya yechi ligi egendrete bono.
We have to be ready financially. Lesson ya kabere egendo ikoro ku depth as a squad tora allowed to register 30 players. We registered very few players last season. We had around 20 abande bakarua along the way for reasons they were understood. Bande bakaende bibarua bande bakamove go to other teams. This season we must work on depth. From the word contact we must register 30 players so that kero fatigue goso kero ondomo babere basokira to kanto bwate options. Those are the biggest lessons to us from last season.
Obo tutukanu no kumusanagatie kiombe kia Football Kenya Federation FKF ne wizara ya Chigosori nengane ende ya mentally berera imeye biti byaito
nale gotebanga as they try to kuna bago Chigosori kende ya transition from the old dispensation to the new dispensation batomwelekeo clear ntoba sasa konyara se crisis bine ketwenya walita naende so that maybe tebe korobo cholero after 2-3 months naende twenyora se problem naende FKF webuna naende tena back. It will not be good for our sport. So they have tried yes ba konyara I think ba kolire buya but nale goteba but road map erengiya
narengete komanya inkikegane irigo koru eliogo sire birengo bya Chigosori imenyerira balia Kisii na Nyamira County.
Gusii yetu ndobwate talent na talent yetu bwate nere world class bali responsible for national collapse. Let them sacrifice. Football is about sacrificing back to the grassroots. We have got talents here but scout ya bana abaironye Kenya Academy of Sports, I'm sure baba nache baba irinonye National Youth Talent Academy. Those boys will be able to power our national team.
Bono no yeto tigaritia matuko makeigo elio gotambuke daraja na goso mwaka gwechiri wibere na merongebere nigo nkobaganiri mutwaro mwaka omuyia gwebisio nenga kiengi yase chitimu chaito chonsi Chigosori mechi ligi chiense ya Kenya Elietaliane Ndemo Steven. Nemaite kororo roboti uruke goikera no mwancho morigereri na White Tata iga Dr. Mr. Evans areba no chabe doctor rinimate amange ngwa sangite birenge review nekene ne gwate bezikare uchikokonya chiliki chaito na mbona gwate bana mangana rengete finances chitim chitware financial system era chikonye chikira nieni bote bononya inu gochikokora muri kuzitakine kugia finances andake na kiya baira season yemu achenchi buna mwatebete.
Not to a great extent. To atemete that ever to a very small extent. Lakini ikento kiri kigenchega tobeka na boronge. It is about the source. Na ichibasa chikuru. As long as still it remains no mufuko na chikuru and a few other officials, then that problem is finance nero. But maybe the day toranyole monta decide was a organization deciding about gobekere chinguru chia yasitol in terms of finances. Exactly na kina minute. Actually, still we really struggle with this season in terms of finances, except towards the end. To achieve the Kanyara Pacific tournament, yeah, one of the aspiring MPs, Dochenga Chikatokonya to Kakura the second leg very smoothly, but first leg still it was a struggle.
Vai ni kagwana mangane chinevo na mangana sponsors na babwatane mo bate final uba ite final ya zebedeo pole na kimwa kolete rit koliri ethereal
dinero yako tokonya tenere na kuana we were lucky on that day abutu ayebuete 1-0 so award twanya tokurwa dinero ya tokonyere ku manage the second leg na iresa. Actually it was not an easy one. It was not an easy.
Ukiri na mwale koko soli nero.
Yale kurukunya miobo. Na baba to ete challenge yarenge tindi sana lakini rende possibly experience yeto and okobamo for a long time because of the league koga kami na handi koga tokonya. Otherwise onye ndiri tozembea sini ni those guys were going to punish us. Maybe a red draw, maybe toga penalty, and then we could not know what could have happened after that. Kera penalty. Chipati mwenye na chiroche.
Nema touch tournament ngo kwa nchira chete muchinyenge mono kerechire well organized bino yubate bire yaringe ya obeshimaze bedeo matoke yaba kwante sana oiko bware baikase Nyanza regional league ye igo sabanda ke bari iskari kwene ki buna chitabe ko bachire chinyenge na okorwa senchira yo bwase kwene ki bali bonse bagosoa babate equal chance yo koligi na goikeri egori yo mweri ya tournament yo kwene ki buna chitimu ngo sikachire muntu kulende bono ke tocho urire enko ya Gusii yonsi pika to kole mwana se county ya Kisii etimene kurwa sema ya Bonchari nga kitu arego kora interview eri nga kiyo mwabwate Pavelo Imeke buno mojumbo ino kulende boniga mobegete Dr. Onchoke Dr. Charles boniga mugabane gare Paul Simba Arati anake transition ya veire new faces chia soire no bato kugena ndake nchikonye sports
inchege ndeke mugitanya kondema negente kuruku kwegen na matuka twale kwa na Steve Justina unabwa to kwegena somebody somewhere ko igwarenge ebirero byetu nche kuna a political landscape ya chenjire in Bonchari and even in Kisii County. I am still very optimistic nga amabadiliko na abororo. Maybe what we need to do as a team or as teams no konyora that connection. Who is it that can connect us to the area MP? Who is it that can connect us to the governor? Tuise konyora that breakthrough, and then tuise konyora abantu bale converse and the issue ya proposal writing within our ranks as a team or as teams. Ndeshwanga na maybe to get something out of it. But as long as we are just hoping for luck somehow, which we can somehow we don't have a document which we present as governor, I think still at the same place I just telling if I go to into a homework here to ways you come to ways chokoros concrete documents present as what the document let us try to inject some funds.
Anje mwaligalia David ngare via Evans whatever andake wali bakobwatia mangana na ye Chigosori nere buya kere mo kitimi wato mo chando no wato montora ikere onyaliko bwata na barabu twatu are nkore ngia tonyara ko ba ikere nda chitimu chinyare ko bachiko kina kengo ya sensemo ya SMS nindo chaiga Peter Makori kurwa sensemo ya Suneka agote abuna captain tuko pamoja na nyinyi nilichoiga Paul Mayeka na ragoteba buna andake mboleri coach Evan Sareba waita ati namba ile ngamu akora na sportive
hapo mkoira neria waita ati tu akora number 7 ase league sportive wakakora one place behind us number 8. I think Dr. Mayeko is in a team
moriga
Dr. Mayeko na wate team na manyete what happens as a team so result hiyo behind the scenes na bakonyara ku detecting and ngikiagerete team ga post results chinga bunichi
ganda ke alimo batama boli na mugonda komenta ayande tobe to ko boli kuroiga SMS Chigosori na kwana kibuna andake amanganya rire goikeru wetire mero bune yestu kuri Chigosori aso kuna ndo chiko kwere nseme twabwatiye kuri Chigosori ya Gusii tore chiringo chiko chakachire chitimu chinyinge ime ya KPL na NSL chingi chawe chirese pre-season ndali tukolia mambi tutware Chigosori ya kebusani gati ya Town Warriors abwatena bene Chigosori kurwaiga soro gongo rwa Gusii chitimu nate biguna coach kurensemo ya National Super League na FKF Premier League bakoru Gusii aiga bachikogosori ne timu ya APS Bomet timu ya bake gokora buya ase amamira na National Super League ndo Rashabana FC Chigosori na Bumachoge Burabu FC nimaite Gusii FC nero negenderete na marigani ayu okay ya pre-season ingikeliora gani chitimu cheito mono Gusii FC Shabana FC chigeti trading inga kibune ya kwa na kibune tunde kubwate nkora tole changes.
Thank you so much. One, wachake with the right quality of players. But what are the right quality of players? Then two, commit players yaba ndatebe long term. Meant to understand sometimes players who commit for a half a season. For me, it is very healthy for a team. And I wish you to commit players for a whole season. You want to play a season. Then in terms of the friendlies, already quality. Thank God, Premier League most of the Premier League teams they are able to come. Ntuna vera to vera bit difficult from our end to travel as far as Muranga, as far as maybe Mombasa, but those teams within the Premier League or the top flight league, no teams in the Super League, Chiria, Chibuate resources, very reach out to them. Babarange, Chigosori na Barabu, na Bego Chikobagaja. Lakini talking back to where I started, commit players, because if you play a friendly, need team that commit players. That team might end up shopping na scout a player again. So it has to start with committing these players. Then we can now ask for friendlies. This is our player for the next one season.
Kiraga na tegosanga Uganda ke Nyamira bara bakwenda ke timu cha Nyamira na kichava chikokori nimetase Nyanza Regional League katia timu chirichava chikoru Nyamira na gosoimba Nyanza Regional League na mune timu ya Muruga FC aba betapa nyango korwa sensible ya Nyamira County League tawate timu ya Riamoni FC nero korwa sema ya Nyamira chitimu chinge ne cha soime ya Nyanza Regional League ndo abwate Global Connections nero timu ngene nero korwa sensible ya Rigoma Ward nero ya soime ya Nyanza Regional League na nchi ya tema timu buna Muruga FC nera namba isano nemo timu buna Global Connections nera sa top 10 iko next timu ya tema okora kuja kolendingi kilioroche kiroko compare Nyamira na Kisii na roche buna esa Nyanza Regional League ange top 4 yo spirire na Kisii County ngikirikira kurukuru Nyamira kwana kibuna ndobati disparity ya negative ya Kisii County na Nyamira.
Okay. Aso ukagera kwane maybe it is something to do with capacity building. Maybe capacity building in terms of I don't know very much. I originate from that end in Nyamira. Capacity building, first of all, you will start with the coaching staff. Coaches from the other end, wagende for CAFD. Nandage kunyarekana after CAFD obuangwego na wako organize the next level ya coaching crew CAFC. Nabora nyore maybe that could be a contributing factor. Then kabere facilities. They make about facilities. Nyamira, I'm not very sure. Ntobwate ground Sendo bade chi ground chire up to standard chira anyale go host training and matches. I'm not very sure. Nkagumanga stadium cross uyarenge. I don't know how far it has gone. Nkaiwa